Any mention? May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 12.
Item number 12 of the hearing list.
Yes, your lordship. On behalf of respondent 1 and 2.
Okay. Well, these are the CBI methods. Perhaps I don't think I'd be able to take up. I'm not very sure. I have to see it. These are arising out of St. Peter's affairs, Mr. Majika.
Yes.
Probably I had appeared for one of them, I think when Peter Thoros was an accused.
Yes.
I had appeared for him. So I don't think. There's only one item.
Item number 12. There's some other matters, but those are not listed today. They're connected.
These are not before this bench. Other matters are.
No. Because this list has just come only yesterday, my lord. So.
I think this will not be proper on my part to take it up. List it before any other bench. Without me. This item number 12. You will list it before any other bench without me. You have to mention it before any other.
Much.
Well, seeking your indulgence, my lord, item number 13. In fact, this matter connects to a matrimonial matter pending in the trial court. Well, both of us are trying to work out this matter. There are chances of settlement, my lord. So, in 2 weeks' time.
That settlement will have a bearing on this.
Yes, my lord. They'll have
Criminal
a
petition also.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
2 weeks, my lord. If we are not able to settle, then my lord, we'll go for the hearing.
Both the parties submit that. What is it?
This Friday is
Okay. Okay. Both the counsel happen for the both the parties. Submit that there is a talk of compromise.
There is to.
And there is every likelihood that amicable settlement
This is
will be
again
had.
unofficial, my lords. It's not officially anywhere on record. It's unofficial. We are making an attempt to try and settle the matter.
My lord, the divorce petition has
we
been
have to say
filed.
there is a likelihood of amicable settlement.
Likely.
Perhaps, my lord. there
You
is.
say it like this: the counsels appearing for the parties submit that there is a likelihood of amicable settlement between the parties, and therefore,
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
and pray that matter may be listed after 2 weeks. We are allowed list it.
I'll oblige.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 14
Item
for the private respondent number 2, Lordship. Conducting counsel is unavailable. Lordship, may kindly fix the matter on 9th if it's
You are appearing for respondent number?
private respondent number 2, Lordship.
I'm for the state, my lord.
No objection.
I'm for petitioner, your lordship. Your lordship, there is some development, your lordship, in this case, your lordship. So can you allow me to bring on record, your lordship?
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
This development will have a bearing on the, say, like, can it be disposed of on the basis of the development which you would be,
Yes,
you are proposing to bring it?
yes, your lordship.
So we'll take it up.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is unavailable today. Lordship, may kindly give a short date on 9th August. He'll be here, Your Lordship.
I just want to bring one document, your lordship, which is arise some development in
If
last.
conducting counsel is not there, can this court pass any effective order?
Early date of 9th August, he'll be available.
When do you want?
9th August, Your Lordship.
Not go for a fixed date. You just say probably. Okay.
All right, Lordship.
Means after a week.
Yes, Lordship.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the respondent number,
Number 2, Lordship.
list this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Right.
More, please.
Motion, item number 1.
Yes. This is a POCSO case. Why?
I'll communicate with
Unnecessary.
them. Lordship. Deputy Officer.
May I please, Your Lordship. This is an application for consideration of the promotion of the petitioner, Lordship. He has submitted the representation after the his senior incumbent after he retired. So it was the practice in the district council, Lordship, in the...
Is there any service rule?
Yes, Lordship, 1961.
Okay, and what does it say about the promotion? Does it create a right in your favor?
No, it's not right, but...
Just because there is a vacancy, do you say that you have a right to be promoted?
No, I am not saying that I have got the right, but my promotional matter may be considered because all along, serially, Lordship, all are got promotion, Lordship. I have mentioned that serially.
Let us issue notice.
Yes.
Shall we issue notice or you'll have instruction. I don't think there is.
Will
Lordship, I have served the copies to the Secretary District Council.
Lordship will take instruction first, in case
When?
matter can be resolved or something like that. We'll take instruction in a matter of 1
When
week.
do you want it?
1 week.
Hired, learned senior counsel, appearing with so and so, on behalf of all the respondents.
3 respondents, sir.
All cases.
Yes.
I think
Yeah, District Council.
It is appearing for all the yes. Appearing for all the respondents. 2 weeks time for obtaining instruction.
Yes.
Listed after 2 weeks. I think that is what you see. Like, if that is the convention, you can give them. But then I do not know as a matter of right how much right he will have. He may not have that much. But then, if it's a convention, why not?
Practice. Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Will brief your Lordship. Lordship, this is an application under Section 482, my Lord. Here, yes, the compromise has been reached between the parties, my Lord, but this is not a joint application. A step has been taken in respect of respondent number 2, my Lord.
That has not been taken.
That steps has been taken, my Lord, and affidavit bringing on status report has been enclosed, my Lord. But they have not yet appeared, it seems, my Lord. So I'm just praying that it may come after 2 weeks, my Lord. If they are not coming, then the matter can proceed,
It's
my
like
Lord.
you have to, their service, whether service is affected or
Yeah,
not.
it's affected.
That is
my Lord.
affected.
It's affected.
Where?
I've
You filed an affidavit.
I filed an affidavit, my Lord. Bring on status report.
That affidavit of service, where is that?
I have copy. I have not given them the copy. That's service report. No. Service affidavit.
What is the subject matter in issue?
Lordship, the here an allegation of section 354, 506 and 34 has been implicated against the petitioners, my lord.
Not very severe offence.
No, my lord. But actually, what I'm saying is like, my lord, that this is an offshoot of a civil dispute, my lord, and a compromise has been reached between the parties.
But then, in spite of the notice, private respondent is
Yeah,
not
she's not appearing.
It is safe to appear. I mean,
Lordship,
proceed
so far as respondent number 2, your lordship, she is informant, your lordship.
She's the complainant, my lord.
But due to the fact that it's not so serious and they have come into compromise, so in that view of the matter, still would not stand on the way.
Lordship.
So, what do you want? After 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks, my lord. Last chance may be given to let her appear. If not, then it may be proceeded, my lord.
Oh, your this thing has been already been recorded. The filing of the affidavit.
Lordship.
So not good. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. This is met after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, my lord.
5 to 9.
5 to 9, similar matter.
See, I have to ask you matters and all. You know, like I'm a beginner
Lordship,
here,
lordship.
so
Lordship.
I have to understand things.
Lordship. Highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Item number 10, hearing.
My lord, due to personal difficulty of senior counsel, my lord, senior counsel is on legs. I am praying if the matter can come up after a week, my lord, for final hearing. Although we have actually done one round of hearing in the other court, my lord, but we will do the hearing afresh, my lord. So after a week, my lord, this is pertaining to a
Mr.
termination.
Khan is appearing in this matter.
Yes, my lord.
It's 2015 matter.
Yes, my lord.
So
You
order
are keen to take it up.
my lord, in fact, the matter was hard. On last 2 occasions, the matter was hard. It was fixed for filing written arguments.
It was hard by other bench. For
My
me,
lord,
Other
my
bench,
lord.
my lord. Other bench, my lord. Correct. So, my lord, after a week, if my lord pleases, my lord, we'll do the hearing after a week.
As per the last order, the state was supposed to produce some relevant documents in this matter, my lord.
In fact, we have produced the documents, my lord, wherein lordship was pleased to direct to say that whether the statements.
Let be taken up to next week. You just point out what they are supposed to do.
My lord.
They are supposed to do, you see. Well, especially prayed for by
The respondent.
yeah, by the respondent, state respondent.
State respondent.
This is matter in the next week. After a week, rather.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Item 11.
This is also matter pending since 2015, my lord.
My lord.
What they are saying, my lord, they filed an SLP. I do not know how much bearing that SLP will have the instant matter, my lord.
My lord, here it is we have filed a writ petition before this honorable court, my lord. Then he was posted in Telangana and went on deputation, my lord. And there also we filed, since the Telangana that NEPA was not releasing me, not giving the moment order. We have to file a writ there also, my lord. So learned single judge has allowed the appeal.
No, what is the matter? What is the matter of controversy here? Just
My lord, here what happened, my
It's
lord?
a dismissal from service.
My lord, I prepare a short list of dates, my lord. This will clarify the things. I'll give him a copy also.
Mr. Jha is not very keen to take up the matter.
My lord.
Maybe
Since
Mr. Jha realizes, my lord.
All those orders are available in the record.
On record, my lord. My lord, in substance, what happened, my lord? He was working in Assam Rifle. He applied for deputation to the police academy, National Police Academy in Hyderabad, my lord. But the person belongs to Andhra Pradesh, my lord, so he was interested in.
It was extended also once.
So 3 years was allowed to him. He went there. After that, my lord, he was again asking for extension of that deputation, which Assam Rifle said that rules do not permit beyond certain limit, my lord. And the National Police Academy was also not interested in retaining him. But he again, by filing court cases, and he wanted to get permanent absorption there. So ultimately, he failed in every round of litigation. In the meantime, what we did, my lord, since after completion of deputation, he did not join Assam Rifles, my lord, we declared him deserter. Against that, he came before this honorable court, my lord. This honorable court came to conclusion that there was a violation of principle of natural justice, a proper opportunity to hearing was not given to him. So to start fresh proceedings against him, my lord. That is where we stand, my lord. Now against that, my lord,
there is no bar on you to take fresh decision on that.
My lord, we did not do, my lord, because his writ petition was pending before the Andhra Pradesh High Court, my lord.
So that is a self-imposed restraint.
Self-imposed, my lord, to show respect to the court's order, my lord. Single judge allowed his writ petition, my lord. But here the question is that because in the army, my lord, the movement order has to be there. They call it movement order, my lord. So police academy will issue a movement order. With that movement order, he'll come. It is like something like challan you can. So with that, he has to report this place. Now police academy refused to grant him movement order. They said he is not our employee, so we are not under any kind of obligation to issue movement order. Single judge allowed that, directed to give a movement order on the Pradesh High Court, my lord. We filed writ appeal, single judge order was set aside, my lord. So now he is without any movement order. Nothing is there, my lord. Now the order passed by this honorable court.
Where he stands now? Is in service? He is not in service.
He is not. He is neither in the service of Assam Rifles nor of National Police Academy, my lord. He is his own doing, my lord. He is approaching two.
But is there any dismissal order in existence?
Dismissal order was set aside, my lord.
So then where he will stand now then?
My lord, he has not joined service after that also, my lord.
Assam Rifle would have taken, my lord.
Can there be an automatic dismissal if he has not joined?
My lord, 5/5/2015 on the last page, second page, my lord, you will also kindly see the order passed by this honorable court, my lord. Petitioner filed WPC 72 of 23 before this honorable High Court of Meghalaya.
You are referring to?
Second page, my lord, the last one.
Of your list of dates. Oh, 5, yes.
Petitioner filed WPC number so and so before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. This Honorable Court, by judgment and order dated, held that since the petitioner was not given an opportunity of hearing, the order of deserter dated.
Violation of principle of natural justice. Okay.
Conduct a fresh inquiry. Fresh inquiry was initiated, my lord, on 10/6/2015. In the meantime, immediately thereafter, after some time, he went to Andhra Pradesh High Court, my lord. So he obtained some relief from there. Then in our appeal, that has been set aside also. Now, my lord, that proceeding before Andhra Pradesh High Court was only with regard to issuing a movement order, my lord.
So that has been done.
So even that order has been set aside.
This is in 29/8/2018. That was on 29/8/2018. Your third page of the list of dates, column 2.
My lord, very recent order, my lord. Honorable single bench of Andhra Pradesh High Court allowed his petition, my lord.
Okay.
Then we filed an appeal there, my lord. And in appeal, this is order passed by Justice Ujjwal Bhuya, my lord. It is on record. As Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court, he set aside a single judge order, my lord. Now the issue, my lord, even if he's
given, my lord, that we have challenged before the SLP, my lord. So the single judge has said that
So you want to say it will have a bearing on this?
Definitely, my lord, because the non-issuance of movement order.
Say supposing that be the thing. Say supposing the matter which is pending before the apex court, if it has a bearing with regard to the issuance of movement order, will it not affect the proceeding here?
But my lord, this honorable court has again also directed us, and that order is not under challenge, my lord.
Well, then you have not. You have conducted your inquiry, but then it is pending. It has not culminated anyway. You see, like it has not been concluded. Is there any bar for you to conclude your inquiry, or you want to, or by implication you want to say that this matter pending before Supreme Court will have a bearing in your inquiry. If you are waiting, that means you are waiting for that only.
Because inquiry you can only conduct if he comes and cooperates, my lord. That is another thing, my lord.
Inquiry cannot proceed ex parte.
Because earlier ex parte inquiry was done, my lord. That was set aside with this.
No, but then that was not by issuing, giving opportunity, was it?
Yes. My lord, no, the notice was issued to him, my lord.
But then
This honorable court came to conclusion that he did not participate in the inquiry.
After receiving notice.
Cross-examination of witness, all
After
the things.
receiving notice.
Yes, my lord.
But then say supposing somebody doesn't appear after receiving notice, can there be a violation of principle of natural justice?
My lord. My lord, I just want
Well, anyway, then you have to wait. If you want to proceed today, then you have to wait, or otherwise we can have it on any other day.
Any other day, my lord.
Because I have to.
In the meantime, if SLP some outcome comes, I do not know whether they are saying that they file SLP.
When shall we?
After 2 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, if something comes
In
up.
the meantime, if it is
If SLP is dismissed, then picture is absolutely clear, my lord. Or SLP allowed also.
SLP allowed.
As prayed for by the learned counsel of petitioner, not opposed by the learned counsel for the respondent. This matter after 2 weeks. Well, how many more we have? This is the last matter. Thank you.
Much obliged.